This video was still in Botanic Garden in Singapore, January 2025 trip. Okay, we were there just to, exercise, walking, bonding, chica and all. Because we cannot do it here in the Philippines. When we are in the Philippines, we are so busy every day. Looking for clients like that and work like that. So let me continue. So selling per cheer, porche is easier because justification of the composition is easier because each ingredient is really expensive, made of high quality, but we have maintained the price of purchase at the cost of Singapore dollar 3,000 something, almost 4,000 for 17 years. It's harder to sell cheap product because of the formula composition is cheap, no result, no repeat buyers, not known in the market, no support from the company, and changes in pricing is frequent. We help leaders become healthy, richer. We keep high lifestyle of living for their family. So you really have to ask yourself why you cannot succeed when all others and so many of them can succeed. Are already successful in Rayway. Okay. So, let me talk a little about this selling cheap product. Some of my leaders they go back to they I mean they stop doing Reway. They are already in some companies food supplement product, but that's their life anyway, that's their decision. So here in Reway, for you to know guys, our company has its own plantation, vast land in New Zealand to grow the ingredients. But some of them from Japan, North America, and Europe, especially for our beauty products, stem cell beauty products. So, talking about stem cell beauty product, for me, here in the Philippines, I went to different high end cities here, but no salon can offer stem cell product. So we are buying for many ladies. They are buying cream, different cream for hydrating, different cream for moisturizing, to botox, to firm skin, protect from radiation, sunblock and all. With our set of beauty product, mist and mask for men and women, you can have it all. Okay, you can save a lot of time at your skin will naturally become younger. Okay, younger, smooth, rejuvenating, firming, even from the melasma that is impossible. Our product is proven because I myself, because according to the doctor I watch in the reels, she said that the causes of melasma is for the genes, for the too much exposure of the sunlight and too much exposure from the sun, and then of course the genes, and then some from the it could be accumulated. In my end, it is from the genes, because from my parents, from my mother. Okay, she has been using a lot of beauty product available in the market just to control her melasma, also with my cousins and all. But in my end, it's really terrible because I'm so lazy to put sunblock. But anyway, right now, I'm using the consensus mask and the spray of our company, Reway. It's really stem cell, so minimal melasma, and then the skin is really young, so save so much time and money going to the salon, and of course no harsh ingredients to the skin. So it has 27 patented ingredients from North America, Europe, and Japan. So even our ingredients here are rare and unique, that you cannot even find one of the ingredient to the beauty product available in the market. That is one thing that I can promise you. And the price is really so much worth it compared to the effect that you can enjoy. But anyway, here in Riwe, it's not only about selling the product, that is the only key that to have a wonderful life. You know, when I when a client, okay, buy the product,